Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about rhyming words. In the last video, we learn about the definition of the rhyming words and 3-letter rhyming words. So in this video, we learn about 4-letter rhyming words. So I will repeat you once the rhyming words. The definition of the rhyming words. The rhyming words are the words that have the same ending sounds. The words having the same ending sounds, or in simple terms we have to tell like this. It can be, rhyming words can be defined as the repetition of similar sound. What is that? A repetition of the similar sound. For example, bad, sad, cat, rat, sit, hit, like that. Okay. So these are the 3-letter rhyming words. So in this video, we learn about 4-letter rhyming words. Let's begin. Ball, tall, B-A-L-L, ball, tall. So the end with the same sound or repetition of the same sounds. Fall, tall. Sell, bell. Tell, well. Crab, drab. Chip, drip. Clap, flap. Day, tray. Seed, feed. Soon, moon. Tide, wide. Till, hill. Shoe, clue. Grow, blow. Snake, cake. King, wing. Sand, band. Wine, dine. Wish, fish. Zero, hero. Drop, stop. Seize, peace. Tide, flight. Pick, kick. Hole, mole. Chest, nest. Jump, dump. Fridge, bridge. Feet, meat. Change, range. Draw, claw. Boat, coat. Mask, task. Book, look. Took, cook. Hay, may. So, children, like this, the words, the ending sounds are the same. The words are ending with the same sounds or repetition of the similar sounds, that we can call it as a rhyming words. So like this we have to practice the how to read the rhyming words. Okay, and we have to learn how to write these rhyming words. Okay, thanks for watching children. If you like the video, please give me a like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.